ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं चल रहा। ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं चल रहा सर। हेलो हेलो। Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. Kalia for this wonderful feat that he has achieved and the way he is promoting his passion and working for everyone with relentless pursuit. I congratulate him with my I congratulate him a lot for this. Thanks a lot, sir, for inviting us. We are so happy to see this. And today we have amongst us distinguished people like Mr. Surya Prakash Khatri, who was former chairman of BCD. He is an MLA also. He is probably left, but thanks a lot, sir, for coming and gracing this occasion. We have former CJ of Manipur High Court, Mr. Justice Siddharth Mridul, who is now a senior advocate practicing in the Supreme Court of India. And sir definitely doesn't need any introduction because we all know that he is not just a great judge, a wonderful lawyer, but also a very down-to-earth human being. And we all are very fond of you, sir. Next, we have Mr. Vikas Pava, who's a distinguished criminal attorney of Delhi. And he has appeared in a number of matters onto the criminal side, which includes white-collar matters also and all other notable matters. Then we have Mr. Maninder Singh, senior advocate amongst us. And he is also a distinguished criminal lawyer. And both of them are a part of the bar group in which we daily assemble, and it feels like a family to us today. We are so happy and thankful to both of them. Also, something that many people don't know is that these people themselves have been keenly interested in sports, especially starting from Justice Mridul, who has been an athlete, and he was interested in water polo and golf and cricket. And other than hockey, he has played almost every game because he is a left-handed person, so which is why he couldn't play that sport. And Mr. Vikas Pava himself is a wonderful cricketer. Then just now I was told by Maninder Singh sir that he was the captain of basketball team of his school, and he really loves this sport and cricket also. So, and as far as Kalia sir, I know that he plays basketball, lawn tennis and many other games. Only I am the person who is just not into these things. This is the only ball I have currently in my life. So yes, but it really feels wonderful. Thanks a lot, sir, for this opportunity.
He played for Punjab.
And Avi Singh, sir, who's also a senior advocate, I'm told he was the captain of Punjab basketball team of Patiala.
He played state level.
He played state level Patiala.
At Patiala, he plays every evening.
So, okay. Thanks a lot to sir once again, and I would now like to request our dignitaries to hand over the prizes to all the people who have won today. And congratulations to the winners and also to the runner-ups. Thank you.
So there is only one thing where we try to minimize, that is the speeches and all. We'll straight away come to the prize distribution. So just to acknowledge the important contribution, this 3-on-3 national championship which was held in Delhi. So our backbone, the technical officers, besides the player who are playing, we just want to give honor to acknowledge their efforts to make that tournament a grand success. I am inviting Mr. Dinesh Kumar. आप बेटा तालियां बजाते रहिए, सारे मैच इन्होंने खिलाए हैं. Mr. Dinesh Kumar, Mr. Rajesh Kumar, Lakshya, Pulkit, Mr. Sandeep, Mr. Junaid, Azim, आप सब आ जाइए फटाफट, और we'll have a group photograph of all the technical officials. Everyone please come. बेटा तालियां बजाते रहिए सर के लिए, ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ लेंगे.
तो गए. अच्छा भाई.
Thank you so much, Mr. Harsh. आपने जितना निकाला था उससे ज़्यादा हाथ निकाल दिया हमने।
कोई बात नहीं।
चलो। Very quickly, it's very hot and humid. And for all the teams, we have organized for dinner also, the playing, the runner and winner team and all the participating team. You can have your dinner post prize distribution ceremony. So straight away, आप इधर आ जाइए अभी सर, आप इधर आ जाइए, आप सारे इधर आ जाइए, जितने हमारे हैं सबको मेडल दे दीजिए। बंटी सर सबके हाथ में मेडल दे दीजिए। आप डीबीए ऑफिशियल्स प्लीज कम दिस साइड। नारा साहब, रोहित आप इस साइड आ जाओ बेटा सारे। 3-4 मिनट में खत्म। ओके, सबको एक देते हैं। ये बच्चे आएंगे, आप सब एक पहना दीजिए, सबको दे दीजिए। So we'll starting with the girls section. The second runner-up trophy goes to North District. North District. पहले आप मेडल ले लीजिए, उसके बाद ट्रॉफीज बाद में लीजिएगा।
कम बेटा।
सर को दो ट्रॉफी बेटा।
Congratulations, all the best. कम बेटा।
कोई नहीं, आगे बैठते जाओ, बैठते जाओ। कैप्टन इन द एंड, यू हैव टू कम। सर कैप्टन कौन है आपका? मैं इससे परिचय भी करा दूं। इसका परिचय कम है, लेकिन इनके ग्रैंडफादर का परिचय बहुत बड़ा है। प्रेजेंटली इज डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया।
Oh,
सताक्षी।
please come. We were neighbors
अच्छा अच्छा
on Akbar Road.
हाँ, इसको मालूम होगा। आप ट्रॉफी बीच में ले जाओ बेटा। आप ऐसे करो सारे बच्चे, सुनो, ऐसे आर्क में आओ, ऐसे आर्क में आओ, ऐसे आर्क में आओ सारे, ऐसे आर्क में आ जाओ। इधर सुनो, मेरी ओर देखो एवरीवन। मेडल ब्रोंज, एक ब्रोंज आर्क में। इधर आओ बेटा।